This rough stone floor had sharp, edgy pointing that was shedding the diamond pads the tile doctors were using for cleaning. The only solution was to start by removing the pointing first by using a hammer drill and replacing with new. With the floor prepared, the stone was then deep cleaned using tile dot to remove and go, worked in with a 100 grit milling pad. This combination effectively lifted years of staining and dirt to the surface, where it was extracted with a wet vacuum. Next, the tile dots were switched to a finer 200 grit pad, which was run over the floor with the tile dot to grout cleanup to further clean the stone, removing old grout residues, plasters and other contaminants. After rinsing with water, the soiling was once again extracted with the wet vacs. For the final cleaning step, the tile doctor used a silicone carbide brush attached to a rotary buffer, running it over the floor with water. These brushes reached deep into the nooks and crannies of the stone, dislodging any remaining dirt, which was then rinsed and extracted. After allowing the floor to fully dry overnight, the tile doctors came back the next day to apply one liberal coat of Xtra seal. This modern oil-based sealer not only protects the stone, but also enhances its appearance, giving it a beautiful, majestic sheen. The customer was over the moon with the transformation. It's always rewarding when your hard work is truly appreciated. These are the finished results.